How to customize the navigation bar on Android. Hi everyone, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to head over to settings. Now you're going to be scrolling down to where you see display and you want to tap on it. Now the next thing you want to do is to scroll over to where you see navigation bar and then tap on it. Now guys, you can see there are a whole lot of options in navigation bar. Currently I'm on buttons, and with the buttons there are also two options to choose from on how you want your buttons to be aligned. Now the next one is the swipe gesture. And with the swipe gesture there are also a lot of options. You can click on more options. You can also lower sensitivity or increase the sensitivity. You can also swipe to open assistant apps, but personally I prefer using the buttons. I feel like it's easier to navigate, and that is exactly how you customize the navigation bar on Android. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.